comment picker. We get the address and put it in. We filter duplicate users. Number of winners 1. Show random names. Duration 3 seconds. More result settings. Solve the sum. 8 and 3 is 11. So get the YouTube comments. Oops. There are 11 unique ones. Good luck, everybody. Gwilym Barnaby. Barnab. Congratulations on reaching 200 milestone. Count me in. Do you still buy any silver from the Royal Mint? Is his question. The answer is yes. And about the milk spots. I haven't come across any, to be honest. That was to give away details. So, Gwilym Barnabe. So I'm sorry if I've butchered that name. Can you please contact me? If you can, do so on the email. And we'll discuss how we get these 2 coins to you. Please pass on your congratulations to Gwilym. It's a nice prize to win, I think. So, Gwilym, please contact me via my email address. It's in the comments on all my videos, and we'll sort out getting the prizes to you. Thank you to everybody who took part, and I will be running another one soon. I'm sure around about Christmas time I'll probably do one, another giveaway. And until then, from me, thank you and bye-bye. And until we meet up again, good luck and thank you for watching. Bye-bye now. Ta-da!